Hey guys, get ready for some hilarious dog moments. I've spent a lot of time finding this clip just for you. This black and white pup is full of silly antics, and I promise it's going to make you laugh. Enjoy the fun.
Good morning, Maggie. Yeah.
These people never expected the llama to do something like that. Everyone's showing it love, and it's just spitting on them. Honestly, I think the llama's lost it.
Would you like a banana?
Dogs. In this video clip, are they drinking the water or mad at it? Just watch how they react. Looking at the black dog, it seems like he's been wandering around thirsty for days. This man is showing the middle finger to his dog, and I am laughing. Look at the dog's reaction. Friend, it looks like he is getting very irritated. Check out this video clip of an orange cat and a mirror. Guys, no matter what animal it is, their reaction to seeing a mirror is always like this. Lots of jumping and freaking out.
Gelder.
What is this dog? I am seeing it for the first time. This puppy is very nimble and is busy teasing the baby.
É bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho.
Guys, these two cats are jumping around in the flowers. They're super quick and absolutely adorable. Hey friends, are you ready to check out some hilarious cat moments? These cats are quick and full of surprises. I couldn't stop laughing. I bet you'll laugh too. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crazy cat antics.
Oh my god!
Ой. Винюша, не надо.
Friends, look at the reaction of the dog. Anyone can easily tease it. Just look at its reaction after seeing the slingshot.
Это что такое? Это как понимать?
Wow, that amazing dog is caught up in a love game and having a blast popping balloons. friends, look at this man. He is trying to disturb sleeping dog. The dog must also be thinking that I will deal with this man after he sleeps.
Did Toby send you a tent? That's so nice.
Still laughing. We told you these pets were comedy gold. If you enjoyed the silly moments, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more pawsome fun, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a laugh. And hey, feel free to watch it again, because let's be honest, one time is never enough with these adorable troublemakers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun-packed video.